I don't have a car.
Yeah, I said I'll carry with my Toyota and I will tell you.
But my family has a car though.
What do you talk?
My house has a car. Like the family has a car, but me, I don't personally have a car.
Sienna, your family is a Sienna motor, family car, and you're happy with them. Your husband have a motor.
It's a very advanced car, honestly.
Is it what?
Advanced car. You don't even need key to drive it. You don't need key to drive it. My house car, you don't need key to drive it.
Banana in our village, okay? It will be coming down. My motto is not your it's not your set of motto, okay?
Our own car, we don't use key.
You don't use remote.
Yeah, something like that.
Don't even see gates, even see motto. See, you don't know how lucky you do. You are talking to a Toyota person, the owner of a motor. Latest, you are shouting.
You're making me laugh so much.
What do you talk?
I say you're making me laugh.
I'm a joke at you, right?
No, you're not.
Somebody have money like mad. You will be talking to you and be laughing. You are laughing. See, you are laughing. I have a lot of money. I'm mad in money. I have a motto.
I know.
Respect, okay?
I know. You're rich. I know. Lisa, how are you doing?
Yeah, I seen the Toyota person. How is he doing? You rude. Catch out of my screen. I don't like you. You have a motto. You have a any.
I don't have a car. Will you buy me a car?
You have a motto.
I don't.
You pay me.
Why?
Because I don't want to marry a poor girl now.
Okay. You'll buy me a car if you don't want to marry a poor girl.
If I can buy you a car, your virginity, I will tear him well, like 5 years. Still tearing. And I'll buy you that motto, Gov. You be using now. You be using now, I'll be telling. What you do for me, I have to buy a motto now.
So, I'll buy a car by myself.
Like this, on your like this.
I'm not doing that.
I love you.
You're not going to leave. You already said you're not going to leave. You're not going to leave.
No, I'm Jesus Christ. I'm Jesus Christ.
You're not. Don't leave. You're not going to leave.
What did that boy that betrayed Jesus? What did that boy?
Judas.
My son name. You know,
don't leave, Corey. Don't leave.
Judas Peller. Check it now. It's in the down.
Wait now. Don't leave.
My name is Judas Peller. I don't disappoint you. No fair.